morning and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make quick and simple cucumber spears or pickles. These are cucumbers that I harvested the other day. They are Excelsior and I believe I purchased them from Johnny's Seeds. I just took 2-quart containers out of a water bath. They're still hot. What I'm going to do is place spears into the jars. Standing up. Okay, I believe that's enough for that one. And enough for that one. Okay, this is the brine. It contains 2 cups of water, 3/4 of a cup of white vinegar, and 1 packet of the actual brining mix. The brand is called Mrs. Wager's Kosher Dill Pickle Mix. I purchased it off of Amazon. I believe it's listed on my Amazon storefront. I'll have to check. You boil all the ingredients together until everything's mixed together, and then you pour it over the top of your pickles. Okay. Next, I think I went too much. I'm going to try to spoon some of it back out. Okay, next I'm going to wet a paper towel to wipe around the lid. Put the cap on top, and I'm just going to hand screw it. This will pop, and when it does, it will be canned. To the second one. Okay, that should be good enough. Next, I'm going to put Mrs. Wager's Extra Crunch Cucumber Crisper into it. A 1/4 of a teaspoon. This will help keep the cucumbers crisp. Wipe the jar. Maybe add just a little bit more. wipe the jar again. Put the top on and the ring. Okay, we're going to let these two sit, and when they're ready, we'll come back and show you the finished product. Okay, we're back with the finished products. Both of the caps have popped. This was real simple to do as long as you have the products on hand. The ball jars were also ordered off of Amazon. I think I have those on my storefront as well. So I want to thank you for following me while we made homemade pickles. I love pickles. I love cucumbers. My next video with the cucumbers, I will probably do my wife's favorite salad: cucumbers, tomatoes, and pickles, either in balsamic vinegar or some type of brine. But at any rate, thank you for coming along. If you got something out of this, that's great. Give me a big thumbs up. I know a lot of you watch my videos, and I'm appreciative of that. Please consider joining my channel or subscribing to my channel. I can grow and make a lot of things, but I can't make or grow the channel without your help. So if you're interested also in any of the items that I use, head over to my Amazon storefront. And also, if you're interested in purchasing the Excelsior seeds, head over to my website, and there will be a link for Johnny Seeds there. So until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a lot of food for yourself and your family. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.